little bit late start for the day. Nonetheless, that's okay. So let's get into today's market. This is just super fresh of me looking at the charts right now. So, looks like, okay, so we had the sell-off on the open. And it looks like there is the recovery bounce happening right now. It's like every single start of the session has been just this immediate sell-off followed by a slow recovery, actually fast recovery. Hanging usually in between the point of control and the value area low. And let's see if we're going to have that today as well. So let's get some music going too. Check out some news here. I think we had Schultz today, right? No, that was yesterday. Okay. We have nothing today. CNBC. These titles. This is so stupid. Looks like the job data was good. Looks like a good day overall. I don't see the point for this. Dump. lot of aggressive sellers right now. I think I'm gonna get in on a pullback here though. Break even. All right, nice. That was something. Entering back on point of control. kind of a lack of recovery on this move. Not sure. Worst part is just battling my psychology because like I just want to take profits so much on that because I want to avoid the pain. There we go. We just took some. Stop break even. Back, set, run. Let's get this breakout. Targeting 37.4. If it doesn't break out, I'll still need to. Come on, baby. Let's break out. Let's break out of this range. Let's go. Oh. Back to point control. Alright, moving stop. Couple of ticks above break even. But ideally we can let this run and break out of this range. It's been just building on here. I mean, look at this. This is hard to read for me because, you know, we have lower lows here, higher highs here. So, big point of contention. Come on, let's break out of this. Let's get a pop. Go. Let's break this. Come on, baby. We're in this trending channel. Just need to pop this right now. If we pop this level. And then 705 after. There we go. There we go. There's the pop. There's the pop. Let's fucking go. There we go, baby. Alright, gonna move stop to 705. Right below 705. In case this continues to run. If not, I'll be happy with my points. If we fall back below slightly 705, I'll put my stop to 702. Alright, breaking it even further. Let's fucking go. Got my alarm. Hey Siri, stop. Siri, shut the fuck up. $7.06. We'll put our stop on. Get that music back. There we go. Alright. Alright, we're looking on this bad boy. Moving stop below the 711. Let it breathe even further. Alright, I'm putting on 707. 707 if it tags me around 707. 706 is where I'm going to put my stop. Let this bad boy run. Come on, let's break this. Let's go. Is this current stop. Okay. That's cool. That's cool. $900 on the day across each account. Let's end there. That's cool. I'm totally fine with that. Let me refresh my Tradezilla account here. Is it going to form another range right on top of this? Another ugly looking range. Look at that. I kind of want to buy a set of micros on this. I'm gonna set. All right, so I'm just gonna buy one micro across each account. Moving stop to break even, a couple ticks above. And this will be the last trade on these accounts for the day. If it gets tagged out, it gets tagged out. Okay. That's it. Let me just cancel all my orders just in case if I have any accidentally on here. All right, so today was a good day. Today up 5.6K. So overall good. The problem is like, and one thing I need to work on is like some of the entries here were very good, but others were just a little sloppy. I could have waited for maybe a little bit more of a pullback. Honestly, I am happy I did not trade the open. Every single day this week, the open has been just this. I mean, it's just been pure kind of slop on the open. And it's just been this, instant dump just right on the open. But if you can trade it, I guess, and just be a little bit patient, or unless you want to trade the dump, then, good on you. I personally, I used to like trading that, but it's just a little bit difficult because usually the down move is a lot faster than the up move. The up move is a little bit slower, a little bit more steady. And so I think recently it's been nice for me to just wait until after the market open. Today I traded 30, 40 minutes, I think, after. Yeah, 15 minutes, 20 minutes after the open. And honestly, that was a lot better. I think I'm going to try to do that again tomorrow just because it's so much more comfy. Like, look at this open, right? Compared to this session, right? Nice chill session open, right? After the initial dump. Take a look at this one. After the initial dump and this nasty chop. Look at that nasty chop. And then nice controlled up, right? So it's a lot better to just start trading, like, in my opinion, at 10 a.m. New York time. Way better. So I'm going to stick to that. I've been having a lot of fun doing that. And today went well because I did that. Pointers for today, things I think I could work on. My drawdown was pretty high on these actually today. Yeah. Actually, that was yesterday. Okay. So I think that was because some of the entries were just not as perfect as they maybe could have been. I could have waited for just a bigger pullback. And yeah, that's kind of the idea. So yeah, I'll also rewatch the stream so then I can find some pointers for today, because initially I think on some of these I did have a big drawdown. I think I was down like 1,000, maybe 2,000 unrealized. And then I just kind of held that until it, was in the green. But I don't know. I'm not really that upset about it though, because my stop below that was where the trade would be invalidated. And I'm fine with that because it was like a normal, okay, invalidation zone. So yeah, and I just kind of continued to move my stop up. Usually what I would try to do is I would try to find like some of these big order blocks, like you see right here, where it just bounced. So I'd try to put my stop like kind of below that. So maybe it could hit in, someone's order first and potentially bounce off that. And what happened is it just, wicked a little bit below, or just absorbed some of those orders and just went through completely. And so that's fine. Interesting day though, because like the cumulative volume delta is so negative. So we have a ton of aggressive sellers, but there's just limit orders, just, eating that up, right? I mean, that's what we're seeing here in price. So overall though, I'm happy with it. Honestly, if traditional futures are so fun to just scalp. Like, there's so much liquidity. It's so nice to just get in, get your scalp, and leave. I've been trading crypto again recently, and it's just tough because like you make an order and then you're immediately in the red because of slippage, because of fees, and then the price is moving just kind of in slow motion. Sometimes it glitches even, but in traditional futures, the price is just, it's so liquid, it's so clean. Where you buy in is where you buy in, where you sell is where you sell. And that's not the same in crypto. So yeah, overall, I'm going to call it a day though. Honestly, I don't really want to look at the charts anymore. I think we're just going to call it a day. And then ideally the game plan moving forward into this upcoming week then is, I think, I got to think about this, but maybe I'm thinking about trading more passively. Maybe just doing a few micros per account, like 3 micros per account. The problem is though, I've noticed, right? Because I was trading NQ and minis today. The problem I noticed is that if I trade micros, I will take half-ass setups constantly. I will take C setups. I will take B setups. I'll take D setups because I don't care, because the loss of a couple $100 per account is okay. If I'm taking NQ, I'm just really focused to quickly get my scalp, get my $200 basically, move stop to break even, and then ideally let it continue to go up. And I'll basically have a take profit, which is like the moon zone basically. So if it hits that, that's amazing. But typically what happens, and what happened today, is it always hits my stop. So I'll just continue to move my stop up and kind of manually trail it. And I'll just look at order flow using Bookmap to do so at key zones. And today that worked out really well. So overall, it was a good day. And I have some other work that I have to do. So I'm just going to call it a day. And yeah, I think ending on 5K on the day, 5.3K on the week is pretty cool. So that's all I have for this one and this stream. And wait, let's see. Actually, I'm going to say that again since I'm vlogging today's session. So all right, so today we ended at 5.6K. So far on the week, we are at 5.5K up, and which is nice. We basically subtracted out yesterday's session. Wait, let me say this again. All right, so today we are up 5.6K, and on for the week, we are up 5.5K. So good stream overall. And I'm trying to stream my trades usually Monday through Friday around New York session open. And today was nice because I traded around 10 a.m. New York time, which was great. And the move was just super clean, and just observing order flow and key levels. That's pretty much it. And today went well. So ideally this week we can preserve this capital and, try to trade a little bit more conservatively moving forward into the week, and just try to keep growing these accounts. So overall, it was a good stream, and I'm just going to end the stream right now.